in the car, in the kitchen, in the bedroom, in the office, in the city, in the bag, in the morning, in the afternoon, at home, at work, at school, at the airport, at the gym, at noon, at midnight, at the door. On Monday, on the bus, on the table, on the floor, on the wall, on the bed, on the roof, on the beach. To the office, to the airport, to the hospital, to the market, to the gym, to the park, to the cafe, to the bank.